Welcome to this video about creating Metatariffs for your practice. This feature helps you simplify and speed up the process of entering services. The data, patients, and doctors presented in this video are entirely fictional. They are used only to illustrate the features of HIP. After logging in, open the Settings menu at the bottom left of your screen. Once you have selected your practice, you will access the Configuration area. Then, click on the Metatariffs tab. Here you will see the complete list of your metatariffs. You can edit or deactivate them at any time. To create a new metatariff, click on New Metatariff. Give it a clear and meaningful name that fits your practice. In our example, we'll call it Rehabilitation. Now let's add positions to this metatariff. For this, we'll use the catalog we created in another video, PhysioBurn. You can add as many positions as needed and even combine several catalogs. All positions can be freely edited at any time. In a metatariff, there are three types of elements: official tariff positions from official catalogs, extra services, and drugs from your own catalogs. Here, we'll add a drug from the material catalog created in a previous video. You can adjust the quantities as needed. Our metatariff now includes several positions and drugs. Let's now see how to apply this metatariff to a patient. In the patient file, open the billing section to create a new bill. Alternatively, you can start a new bill directly from the medical tab for the desired episode of care. Click plus, give it a name, for example, Rehabilitation, and save it. You can also adjust certain billing parameters, such as the applicable legislation. In the entry line, select the metatariff you just created. The system will automatically insert all predefined positions. You can add more items, modify, or delete them as needed. You can create as many custom combinations as you wish, tailored to the services you perform most frequently. Metatariffs help you save time, simplify your entries, and optimize your entire billing process. To learn more about service, recording, and invoicing in HIP, you can watch our video dedicated to invoicing. For more details, you can also visit our online help. The link is available in the description. We hope this presentation has been helpful and that it enables you to make full use of the metatariffs features in HIP. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon in our next video.